Henry James has the hiccups.
Poor guy. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, that was a big
What a
yawn.
He's so cute.
Ooh, he's about to fall asleep.